Hello there, my friends. I am Pittsburgh Pat, and I teach Dungeons and Dragons to kids, and this is some of the tools that I use. I ordered these dinosaurs off of the internet, off of Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. So let's take a look. I think there's supposed to be over 100 dinosaurs here. Whoa. Okie dokie. So I'm going to do a dinosaur race in the Kingdom of Chult. The island of Chult, peninsula of Chult. So like, ooh, this is a good one. Woo, what's that one called? And yeah, so here's a Hadrosaurus, right? And what I was worried about when I bought these was, are they going to stand up, right? So like, but they seem to. So that's good because there were two types. There was like the regular ones, and that's what I bought. And then there were also the deluxe ones, and they were $5 more. So I figured, well, I'll buy these and see what they're like, and if they don't stand up, then got nice Triceratops here. Got the one with the fin on his back. So what I want to do is have a dinosaur race. So these guys can, yeah, these will work. So Tyrannosaurus Rex. There's a T-Rex. And I thought in this description they were going to, or the picture on Amazon, they were all going to be like this. They're all going to be like pink and not like the proper, not proper, but like not like a sort of semi-realistic color. But no, it looks like they're not all pink. There are some pink ones. But there's also some red ones. There's some green ones. There's blue ones, but there are a lot that are kind of earth tones and look more like, you know, what lizards or reptiles would have looked like. But of course, now we know that dinosaurs evolved into birds, right? So there's some avian ones, and birds come in many different colors. So there's no reason why there might not be some plumage on these things in different colors. So it looks like I got a nice wide variety here. Let's take a look here and see how many we got. So there's 5, 10, 15, 20. And you can always slow down the video if you want to see like what they all look like. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, it looks like about 82 is what I'm counting. And there's a pretty good variety of them. I mean, you know, there are some repeats that I can see. Pretty sure I saw a couple stegies. But, yeah, so here's a couple of different stegosauruses. Here's a third one. But I'm not seeing, you know, I'm seeing a lot of variety here. So I'm pretty happy with this. I'm going to go ahead and shut down the video here because I think for $10 I got what I paid for. They don't seem like they seem pretty sturdy. And they're nice D&D figure sized. So, you know, here's a Lego guy. Here's a dinosaur. But like, yeah, here's like some dragons that I bought off the internet. They're about the same size. So, hope you guys have a great day out there. Peace. Oh, here's a standard size die in order for you to like compare sizes with. Why don't I just use a ruler? Because I have one. So Stegosaurus from tail to nose is about 2.5 inches, and height about 1 inch. This one's like 2.5 inches by about 1 inch. Let's get like a Tyrannosaurus, one of these long neck ones. So that's like 3 inches long, maybe 1.5 inches tall. Here's a T-Rex. T-Rex 2.5 by maybe 1.5. So if you have any other questions, let me know. I'll put the link in the description box, and thanks everybody for supporting me. I'll see you on the next one, and I'll tell you all about my experience teaching kids, because it's super fun. Talk to you soon. Take care.